Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today we're going to be working out how to fix this center console in the car. So this is the 2021 model WRX STI VA. So essentially this issue that I've been having for some time is the center console, it doesn't lock on. As you can see, it doesn't lock on, and so there's an issue with this bit here, and to do with up there, it's not locking on, and so it doesn't click. So today we're going to be fixing that. So essentially what we're going to do is open this up, and then we're going to start by removing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we're going to be removing these 6 screws here, and then getting to this plate down below here. So let's get started. Okay, so as you can see here, I've removed all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws. And now just note that these screws may not be all equal, so that's why I've kind of arranged them here and just put them through this piece of paper here, just to keep them organized, as you can see. Okay. Now once you've got all those screws out, just gently pry this open and then take this off. Okay, so that comes off, and then that exposes one more screw, this one down here, so you want to take this one out as well. Now once you remove that last screw, as you can see, this can come out. So you take that out of the way. This is the cover, take it out of the way. Now you expose this kind of plate here. So you're going to move to the back of the car seat to do this next part. Now from the back seat, what you're going to do is you're going to just pull this back, loosen this, and then you're going to get access to these 3 screws, which will then need to be removed. So we're going to go ahead and remove these 3 screws. Now once you've removed these 3 screws, this latch becomes unlocked, and then you can take it out, and this is what we're going to have to adjust to help the center console click better when you close it. Now with the latch, you want to push it in this way a little bit. So you want to push basically push this end and this end together, so inwards like this way, and squeeze it slightly, and that should help. And if you squeeze it enough, it should hopefully, I mean, mine's not working that well, but it should hopefully lock and close. But mine's still having issues, so probably need to get back into it and squeeze it a bit more. Alternatively, you can probably just stick 2 magnets here and 2 on either side of the latch, sorry, and then it'll stick better.